Enjoy music while charging. There's nothing worse than running out of juice in the middle of your favorite track. With this USB-C to aux adapter from UGREEN, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack on one end and a USB-C port on the other, so you can charge your device while you're listening or on a call. PD3.0 and QC3.0 fast charging. This USB-C to audio jack supports PD3.0 and QC3.0 fast charging with a maximum output of 30 W. With this Type-C to aux audio jack, you can quickly charge your devices at any time and don't suffer low battery anxiety. High-res audio DAC chip. This 2-in-1 USB headphone adapter lets you enjoy high-fidelity audio on your smartphone with a built-in DAC high-resolution chip. The USB-C aux adapter facilitates high-resolution audio output and noise reduction up to 24-bit 96 kHz, others are 16-bit 48 kHz to enhance the original sound quality of your mobile phone. Durable and portable, UGREEN USB-C to aux jack is made of a durable aluminum connector and TPE cord, making it sturdier and corrosion-resistant. The audio to USB-C adapter can be easily carried around without any hassle because of its mini size and lightweight design. Highly compatible. This UGREEN Type-C headphone adapter is compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, S21, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, S20, S10, S10 Plus, Note 10 Plus, Note 10, Note 25G, Note 20 Ultra, Google Pixel 5 quarters, 3 halves, XL, iPad Mini 6, iPad Pro 2021-2020, iPad Air 5 quarters and more. It does not support Google Pixel 6/6 Pro, 1 Plus. Top reviews from the United States. It works very well and it makes it so my husband can use his tablet, thanks so much. It's easy to use and my husband likes it, Nuff said.